So it's August 10th, 2019 at 7 p.m. and it's just starting for this day. This is the first episode this day, but just been trying all day. These breathing spasms are just they're the real culprit. This is one started just by a breathing spasm. I couldn't control it. And the burps. We don't like the burps because, although embarrassing and borderline rude, they are telling me that the sphincter muscle in my stomach is open, which means that acid and food goes up and down, and the burps just aggravate and cause choking spasms. So it's just we don't like the burps. If I have the hiccups without a burp, I have a better chance of well, it's just all miserable. But it's just the burps aren't good. They're just not good. It's not a good sign. This was shit. So the real problem is movement. So we were carrying groceries up. What started this? I was fine. We went to the gym today, you know. So we just left the gym and went grocery shopping. Did that. Everything was fine, and then carrying the groceries up the stairs, it started to have a breathing spasm and turn into this. Fuck. And this is yesterday I had seen my thoracic physician who has caused me to lose my disability insurance, and now all these doctors combined have caused me to lose my job. I found that out yesterday. Yesterday was quite a day. A lot of negative stuff was coming at me, but you know, I have really wonderful friends in Arizona and in San Diego that popped up right away and helped to make me feel and Robert feel just a little more at ease for the weekend, and hopefully it'll turn into something more positive. So we'll see. I'm just very thankful to have them there and to help when this is an emergency level. I really appreciate the help. So